All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for tuning in. Feeling old, feeling really old, but I'm not. It's not about me. Today I want to speak about Cory Burke and also Andre Blake, because they put in exceptional performance against New York Red Bull, where we see Philadelphia Union gaining their first home win of the season so far, and also Cory Burke putting himself on the score sheet, something that I do think that he has been trying so hard to accomplish, just the same as Lamar Walker, and he has now done it, and we will see how well that one goes. But I want to speak about Andre Blake. He's an exceptional player, and I can tell you that this Philadelphia Union team, they need to provide a defensive support for this player. This will actually take Philadelphia Union in 10th position, scoring 5 and also conceding 5. So we do think that is something that they have to work on, conceding less goal and also work on the striking force, because scoring 5 goals in six games, that is quite low. So you basically are putting yourself back, but you need to work on the attacking prowess and also the defensive stability, which means that I think that this is now boils down to a coaching aspect. It might be sad to say, but definitely it has to be a coaching aspect. If you're conceding a lot of goals and then you are not scoring, it means that there is something lacking in the coaching aspect. There's no system. Consistently, Andre Blake has to be saving the entirety of the team 1v1s over and over again, spectacular saves over and over again. But they both put in solid performance, taking Philadelphia Union up the table in a strong position, also for them to get their first win, home win at for them to achieve their first home win today. A really rugged game. I mean, a really rugged game. Fights, cards, red cards, everything was involved in this game. Everything was definitely involved in this game, but I do think that a bit of discipline was also a massive factor in this game. But we'll see how that one goes. Now let me speak on to the next person, which is Leon Bailey. I do believe that this is a difficult time period for Leon Bailey, because the recent occurrence of the injury could see Leon Bailey out for the Gold Cup, and we do know that a broken toe can be healed within like 4 to 6 weeks, as already been said, but it also can take a longer duration. Would you guys think, put it in your comment, put your thoughts in the comment, would it be better for Leon Bailey to actually sit out the Gold Cup and then now be fresh for the coming World Cup? What do you guys think about that? Do you think that we can actually achieve winning this Gold Cup without Leon Bailey, for him to get the proper and sufficient rest and recovery time span to come back into the team and is fully fit and ready to go, also to take on his incoming season and also the World Cup qualifiers? Do you think that is the right choice, rather than forcing him into the team and definitely maybe risk and re-aggravation of the same injury? And when you do that in the world of football, it tends to blow you away. But we'll see that one goes. So people, I won't say long. This is a very short one. A lot of respect to everyone who tuned in. Put it in your comments what you think that Leon Bailey should do. Should he sit out the Gold Cup and let the squad that we have right now, also potential players, to come in, get the job done? Or do we think it's critically important that we get him before the Gold Cup campaign? So we will see how that one goes. As I said, people, Cory Burke, I won't get in the statistics this time around, but it was a very dogged performance from both Cory Burke and also Andre Blake, because in essence the game was a physical fight battle, everything it comprises. So Cory Burke, Andre Blake taking Philadelphia Union into a 10th position on the table, defeating New York Red Bulls. And we also want to know, what do we think is the best choice for Leon Bailey right now? Should he definitely rest out the Gold Cup campaign and give give himself full recovery and take on the World Cup qualifiers? So tell me what you think. Put your thoughts inside of the comment section. Let me know what you think. But thank you very much, people, for tuning in. And 29 is the number. People getting old. But thank you very much, people. A lot of respect. Military Guna TV. I am out.